Hi, welcome to this video where we learn the most used phrases in Spanish. Listen to each phrase in Spanish first and then in English so you can use them every day. Let's get started. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Buenos días. Good morning, buenas tardes, good afternoon, buenas noches. Good evening, ¿cómo te llamas? What's your name? Me llamo Richard. My name is Richard. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Por favor, please, gracias. Thank you. De nada. You're welcome. Lo siento. I'm sorry. No entiendo. I don't understand. ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? ¿Puedes ayudarme? Can you help me? Estoy aprendiendo español. I'm learning Spanish. Hasta luego, see you later. Adiós, goodbye. Great job. These are some of the most used Spanish phrases that will help you communicate every day. Practice them and watch this video a few times to remember them better. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Spanish content for English speakers. See you next time.